Hello, this is Muhammad Ramdan. Today, I want to record this video as a requirement of language assessment method test project. In this video, I'm going to explain of the C-test and case study. I'm going to try explain this material as clearly as I can. I apologize in advance if my explanation does not correctly or clearly as others. Without any further ado, let's just get started. Okay. Here are our content today, what we discussed, right? First, there are introductions, criteria and structure of C-test, example of C-test, and case study. Okay, now we move into first introductions. C-test is one of method in a language assessment context. A C-test in the beginning is developed by historical of clause test. Now C-test is a modern of clause test, right? So in this definition, a C-test is a kind of version of the clause test that leaves out every second word in a piece of writing. In simple words, C-test is serve as written language assessment that measure personal language proficiency. This method helps to evaluate the understanding of vocabulary and grammar in the context. Yeah, that's all. Okay, next we move into the criteria and format of C-test. To develop and build the C-test, we have to look the format of this format. First, multiple subtext. C-test is made up of a number of short texts, usually 5 and 6, and each text has a 20 gaps to fill in. This variety is important because it helps to prevent any bias towards a certain subject and give a wider view of a person's language skills. The second one is gaps for reconstruction. Each blank in the C-test must be represents the later part of every other word being taken out. What actually means? Every blank in the second word, it must be make it easily for test taker in order to easily to complete it. Unless in administration context, C-test can be utilized across different venues, including educational institution. What actually means? C-test can be adopting in educational settings for placement and screening objective, such as academic programs, academic examination, and others. Okay. Criteria for the C-test development. For the first text selection, to make sure C-tests are effective, the text should be diverse in another text. It might be challenging for the test takers to pick the right methods for removing words that match the language you're working with. Next thing, methodology. In a typical of C-test, the latter portion of every alternate word is omitted from a passage. Generally, C-test is built and made by every second word is a blank, right? This technique permits participants to restore the absence of segments every word, which serve to measure their proficiency in vocabulary, syntax, morphology, and spelling. The third is scoring system. scoring system typically exact as there is usually only one correct answer for each gap. This precision helps in maintaining the integrity of the assessment. And last is construct validity. Recent studies show that C-test scores is recommended has a strong connection with the other language proficiency metrics. It concludes that C-test is recommended for assessing general language capabilities rather than concentrating on specific skill sets. Okay, we move to example of C-test. Here are the example of C-test. This is what I explained before. There are gaps reconstruction and look at this. It must be look every second word, yeah. It must be blank. Yeah, okay, that's all. Okay, and the last part is case study. Okay, I'm going to try explain what's the difference between two texts, yeah, in this slide. The first text is a descriptive essay about the birthday. And the second text is expository essay that focus on how video gaming can be evaluative learning platform in an effort making the fun learning experience. Meanwhile, the first text, descriptive essay, is focused on the author experience and give atmosphere vibes why the author is happy and excited about his or her birthday. So here are the answer of this each text. Okay, we move into the scoring system. For the scoring system, I just make it the percentage, yeah. If students complete it successfully and carefully analyze and identify the reading material, which is connected to the base of information they receive, this is succeeded by their reasoning skills to identify incorrect grammar, and they have a solid vocabulary that allows them to understand unfamiliar words. Then they got 100%. And the CEFR level they measure is C1. If students successfully fill in the gaps with words they recognize, showing that the differential reading proficiency has been measured fairly well, even if some areas are still unaddressed, the students will got score 75 up to 95. The CEFR level they got is B1 or B2. If students still struggle, such as what was that? Not complete just 1, 2, 3 word that they have found, then students just got 40 and up to 70%. The level what they measure is A2 until B1. If students are unable to grasp and unfamiliar vocabulary restricts to inserting only 2 to 3 words in the text as they do, do not possess the effective skills needed to address each gap, they will get 0 until 20%. The level of CEFR is A1 until A2. Okay, justification. The reason choose the text is, in my perspective, the structure and the coherence maybe or perhaps will be emphasize the students clear and accessible for intermediate students, engaging them meaningfully with the material they encounter afterward. Okay, the second is how they connect with the language level of my own students. Students will acquire the capability to independently interpret the main ideas and significance of the text by recognizing and using vocabulary that can serve as a standard of developing their language proficiency, which will significantly enhance their academic performance. So the conclusion is students will got effortless and make a language production in real world application language. Okay. The last is contrasting of the C-test with other assessment. C-test is a comprehensive assessment. What actually means? C-test is recommended to measure language proficiency properly than class test and multiple choice. Why? Because the multiple choice and class test just emphasize in boosting reading comprehension, while the class multiple choice, the disadvantage is it's really not recommended because does not applicatively and flexibly in a language real world language context. And the integration of language maybe in the aspect of difficult. C-test is very difficult, and it in the different condition it must be easy to complete it successfully. In scoring system, C-test perhaps easily the same as multiple choice, right? And the class test, yeah, that's all. Okay, thank you for watching me in my presentation today.